Namaste to everyone. Now I am showing formulas of all tenses and with examples. First tense is simple present tense. Structure is subject plus verb plus V1 plus es plus helping verb. Examples: I take exercise daily. Exercise. She reads a book. She reads a book in the library. See, she reads a book in library. The second example is second tense present continuous tense. Structure is subject plus ing plus helping verb am or plus verb plus ing. Example: she is playing football. Here is playing. You knew that here is playing. And next, I am studying in high school. I am studying in high school. I am studying in high school. Third one is present perfect tense. Structure subject plus has plus haven plus verb V3. Example: he has made this colorful chart. Example second: I have completed my assignment. The fourth tense is present perfect continuous tense. Structure is subject plus has, haven plus been plus verb ing. Example: I have been completing my assignment for the last 3 days. Example 2: she has been working in the department since 2007. The fourth tense is simple past tense. Structure is subject plus verb V2 or irregular verb. Example is next. Example: he completed the assignment. I read the newspaper. The sixth tense is past continuous tense. Structure is subject plus was, were plus verb ing. Example: he was reading the book. I was going to the park for a morning walk. The seventh tense is past perfect tense. Structure is subject plus had plus verb plus is equals to V3. Example: I had finished my homework. Example 2: he had completed his task. Tense 8 past perfect continuous tense. Structure subject plus had plus been plus verb ing. Example of past perfect continuous tense is: he had been completing his assignment for last 2 years. Horse: I had been playing football since morning. The ninth tense is simple future tense. Structure is subject plus will or shall plus verb V1. Example: I shall go to the park for a walk. She will perform his duty. The 10th tense is future continuous tense. Structure is subject plus will be or shall be plus verb ing. The example of future continuous tense is: he will be playing football. Second example is: we shall be eating the meal. The 11th tense is future perfect tense. The structure is subject plus will have plus verb V3. Example: he will have played football. I will have completed my assignment. Example 2. The 12th tense is future perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing. Example is: he will have been watching the football match for over 50 minutes. The 13th tense is past future tense. Structure is subject plus would plus verb V1. Example: I told that I would leave in 1 hour. The 14th tense is past future continuous tense. Structure is subject plus should be or would be plus verb ing. Example: I told that I would be doing my homework all day long. The 15th tense is past future perfect tense. The structure is subject plus should have would have plus verb V3. Example: she said that she would have completed her assignment. The 16th tense is past future perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject plus would have been plus verb is equals to ing. Example: he said that I should have been working here for 2 hours by that time. The tenses of all is the tenses of the 16 tenses. Examples are tenses, simple present tense, subject plus verb plus es or es. Example, she reads book in library. You can take the screenshot of this chart. Thank you. Please share, subscribe.